Hello and welcome to today's tech update. In the fast-evolving world of messaging apps, WhatsApp, a global leader with over 2 billion users, is once again in the headlines. This time, it's for a feature aimed at curbing misinformation, a pressing issue in today's digital age. The popular messaging platform, owned by Meta, is reportedly working on an innovative tool that will allow users to verify the authenticity of images shared on the app. With this new feature, users can cross-check received images directly on Google, making it easier to identify fake or manipulated visuals. This move comes as part of WhatsApp's broader commitment to maintaining trust and safety on its platform. The feature is designed to empower users to make informed decisions by quickly identifying whether an image is genuine or potentially misleading. Misinformation has been a long-standing challenge for social media platforms. By introducing this kind of verification tool, WhatsApp aims to strengthen its defenses against the spread of false information. Currently, WhatsApp already provides a forwarded label for frequently shared content, helping users identify viral messages. This new image verification feature could be the next big step in combating fake news effectively. That's all for now on this exciting new development from WhatsApp. Stay tuned for more tech updates and make sure to check your facts before sharing.